Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have 7 to the power of x plus 7 to the power of 2x plus 7 to the power of 3x equals to 14, and we solve this problem for the values of x. So here first we rewrite this equation as in this form. This is 7 to the power of x plus this is 7 to the power of 2x. We write it as 7 to the power of x and its whole square plus this is 7 to the power of 3x, and we write it as 7 to the power of x and its whole cubed equals to 14. So now here in the next step we need to take here y equals to 7 to the power of x. So when we take y equals to 7 to the power of x, this equation is written as in this form. We replace this 7 to the power of x equals to y plus this will be written as y square plus this will be written as y cubed, and it is equals to this is 14, and we rewrite this 14 as 2 plus 4 plus 8. We know that 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 8 becomes 14. So we break this 14 in this form. And now here after that we move all these terms from right hand side to the left hand side. First we will write y cubed, and we make the pair of y cubed with 8, and plus we have this is y square, and we move this plus 4 in the left hand side and it will be written as minus 4. We make the pair of y square with 4, and we have the remaining terms are in the left hand side is y, in the right hand side is 8. It will becomes minus 8, and this whole equals to 0. And now in the next step here we rewrite this equation as we write this is y cubed minus we write 8 as 2 cubed, and plus this is y square, we write 4 as 2 square, plus this is y minus 8 equals to 0. And now here after that we need some formulas. We will write it here. First we need cubic formula. It is a cubed minus b cubed. It is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. And here we have this is a square identity, a square minus b square. It is equals to a minus b times of a plus b, and here we have this is y minus 8. So here we need to first apply this cubic formula on here and the square formula on here. So that first we will apply this cubic formula, and this term is written as y minus 2 times of y square and plus 2y and plus 2 square, plus this is y square minus 2 square. Here we can apply this formula, so it is written as y minus 2 times of y plus 2, and here we have sorry, this is 2, here we have written mistake. When you move this 2 here, this will be 2 only. Okay, this is 2. So we write it as plus y minus 2 equals to 0. And now here you focus on all of these terms, and you see here each term contains y minus 2 factors, so that we will take common y minus 2, and the remaining terms are y square plus 2y, and this 2 square equals to 4. Here we take common y minus 2, and we get the remaining terms are y plus 2. Here we take common y minus 2 and we get plus 1 only, and this whole equals to 0. So here we need more simplifications, and we write it as y minus 2 times of y square, this 2y plus y equals to 3y, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 becomes here 7, and it is equals to 0. And now we convert this equation into the two cases. The first case is we take y minus 2 equals to 0, and the second case is we take y square plus 3y plus 7 equals to 0. So in this case we easily get the value of y equals to 2, and now we will back substitute the value of y, and it will be written as 7 to the power of x equals to y. Here we call this is equation number 1. Now first we can solve this equation, and here we get the value of x, and now we move towards our equation number 1. So from here, in order to find the value of x, we need to take the log on both of the sides. So when you take log, it will be written as log of 7 to the power of x equals to log of 2. Here we will apply the property of log and we move this x in the front of this log, and it will be written as x times of log 7 equals to log of 2. So here we can apply, in order to find the value of x, we need to divide both of the sides by log of 7 in this way. So this log 7 is cancelled out by this log 7, and we get the value of x equals to, this is log 2 over log 7. We write this log 2 over log 7 as log 2 with base 7. This is the first value of x in this problem. And now here, in order to find the other values, we need to first solve this equation number 1, and here we will apply the quadratic formula. So we have the value of a equals to 1, b equals to 3, and c equals to 7. And we know about quadratic formula. It is stated as square root of b plus minus b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is the quadratic formula. And now we substitute the values of a, b, c here, and it will be written as y equals to this is minus b, sorry, this is minus b. The value of b is minus 3 plus minus square root of b square. B is 3 and 3 square is 9 minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 7, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a equals to 1. And now in the next step we need more simplifications here, and we rewrite it as y equals to minus 3 plus minus, this is 9 minus 4 sevens are 28, and it is divided by 2. So here we have y equals to minus 3 plus minus square root of 9 minus 28 equals to minus 19, and it is divided by 2. So here we need to separate the square root on both of these terms, and it will be written as y equals to minus 3 plus minus square root of 19 into square root of minus 1 divided by 2. And here we know that the square root of minus 1 equals to iota, and it will be written as 3 plus minus square root of 19 into iota, and it is divided by 2. So the value of y equals to minus 3 plus minus square root of 19 into iota, and it is divided by 2. So here we back substitute the value of y. So the value of y is 7 to the power of x equals to minus 3 plus minus square root of 19 iota divided by 2. Here we again take log on both of the sides. So when you take again log on both of the sides, it will be written as in this form, log of 7 to the power of x into log of minus 3 plus this term. Okay, here we can apply the property of log, and we move this x in the front of this log. It will be written as x times of log 7 equals to log of minus 3 plus minus square root of 19 iota divided by 2. So now we again divide both of the sides by log 7 in this form. So you see here, this log 7 is cancelled out by this log 7, and finally we get the value of x is equals to log of base 7 and minus 3 plus minus square root of 19 iota, and it is divided by 2. So this is the value of x in the second case. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.